Kirsty, go. Okay, it's Wednesday afternoon. This is our cake for tomorrow. Say hello, Kirsty.
Hello, I'm Kirsty.
Kirsty, say hello.
Hi, I'm Asa.
Okay, we're making a cake for our PBL tomorrow. Kirsty's now stabbing the cake mix. It doesn't look like a cake at the moment. I'm not sure what it looks like. It's a bit gloopy.
Extremely thick mud.
Extremely thick mud is what we're going for. So it'll be fine. I'm sure it'll be lovely. You've all had our cooking. In case you look really confident there. You've all survived my cooking before. It'll be fine. Okay. Is the moment of truth?
Yes.
Get the cake out the oven. Ooh.
Da, 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 da.
Well, that was just weird.
A cake!
That is a genuinely beautiful cake. You can see the look of genuine delight on Kirsty's face.
Doesn't that smell nice, camera? Yes, it does.
Yes, this is Wednesday afternoon in Glasgow. We bake. That's what we do. We're not making we just bake. Okay, that'll be a fun. Kirsty has managed to get more of the cake mix on the table than on the cake. Let's zoom in. Oh look, Kirsty. How much of that is on the table? Hang your head in shame. And now she's trying to pick it all up and put it into the scales, and it's just not working for her. Laura's disapproving of her. Laura, talk.
Yeah, again, another failed night out by Lauren and Laura. Lauren!
And also Oliver and Callan, we're not letting them get away with this. Callan is now looking like a mugger. I'm slightly concerned. Don't
Right, basically, Lauren's a pillock. And she said that the medic from Chris was on a Wednesday. So I was like, oh, Lauren, I'll go with you, right? And then, all the way in the rain. Look at the rain, right? And then, right, she flipping got it wrong. And it was on a Monday. Was it on a Monday? Yes, Lauren.
No, it wasn't on a Monday. It hasn't happened.
Well, that's even worse. It hasn't even happened yet. She just made it up. Right?
Okay, in the lecture, in my defence, in the lecture where they told us about it, I had a horrible hangover.
There was no
mean.
In other good news, I've got a booked job interview at Boots tomorrow.
Because she got rejected from Pizza Hut.
Yeah, right, whatever, shut up.
Good evening, this is Sunday evening. Liz is here taking a photo of a bench on a bench. I don't know if we can see that very well here. I'll zoom in and see what we can do. See, there's a bench on a bench. That amused me and my mother quite a lot. Mum, say hello. Hello. You're now an internet superstar. How do you feel about that?
Great, yeah.
Yeah, for the 5 people who watch the vlog will be thrilled.
I'm just so happy to be here. Lauren has chosen a fantastic and beautiful university city.
Yes, see, thank you for those of you who live in Manchester with your wonderful views. Ha!
Alright, hey guys, I'm on a train. Must have been late this weekend. I've been on a bit of an epic journey. I went home Thursday night because I've had this weekend off. So I went home Thursday night, and then Friday morning went down to Loughborough, and Saturday night I'm going back home to Glasgow. That's weird, but yeah, kind of is home now. So it's an epic journey. Taken many hours, but I typed up most of my PBL. Yay! Because that's what I always do at the weekend off. So I finished my book. I've done 1/6 of my college, which is pretty incredible, really. Well, not for this year, there's millions of years to go, but it's not quite done. I finished this book. I'll start my absolute on Monday. Lots of exciting things going on there, dissection and prosection, and basically I get to do a lot of chopping things up, which is always a winner. Good morning, it's just before 9 o'clock on Monday morning, and I am here doing this because I set off to university at 20 to 9, started running a bit late, rang Kirsty to see if she was coming as well, so she'd already set off, catch her up, and she informed me that we started at 10 o'clock. That was a little embarrassing, I'm not gonna lie. Ash is coming today. My mum's here already, which has been so nice to see her and Liz. I had a really nice time in Loughborough. It was good. I should probably have tidied up a little bit more before Ash appeared, but she's used to me We lived together for like 3 weeks in Mexico. I think we were on the point of killing each other by the end of that. But she's only here for a couple of days, so she won't get fed up with me, hopefully. That's all for this week, folks. See you next week with all my special guests.